Looking for a quick, light, and flavorful chicken curry? You're in the right place. Welcome back to 22 It's official Chitri Dip. Today we're cooking a chef-style chicken curry that's easy, oil light, and absolutely delicious. Start with 500 fresh chicken, washed and clean. Add salt, turmeric, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix and let it rest while we prep the masala. Now heat just 1 teaspoon oil. Add 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamoms, and a small cinnamon stick. Drop in 1 finely chopped onion, saute until golden. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Cook until the raw smell is gone. Time to spice it up. Add turmeric, 1 cumin powder, 1 coriander powder, and red chili powder. Stir well, then add the marinated chicken. Mix everything and cook on medium heat for 5-6 minutes. Add 1 cup warm water. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or until the chicken is tender and juicy. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. No cream, no butter, just clean, soulful flavor, and that's your light and simple chicken curry done. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or meal prep. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 22 It's official Chitri Dip for more chef-style recipes in minutes.